Upbeat music plays. The camera pans over a vibrant garden filled with various plants including watermelons, aloe vera, and colorful flowers. Miran, welcome back to my channel everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening with some top tips to help you grow a successful garden, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. From sweet, juicy watermelons to soothing aloe vera, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Cut to a shot of various seeds and seedlings on a table. Miran, first things first, choosing the right plants for your garden is crucial. Think about your climate, space, and personal preferences. Watermelons thrive in warm weather, while aloe vera prefers a sunnier spot. Always select plants that match your local climate zone for the best results. Transition to footage of preparing soil in the garden. Miran, next up, soil preparation. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Start by testing your soil's pH level and nutrient content. You can improve your soil by adding organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. This will enhance drainage, fertility, and structure. Show clips of planting seeds. Miran, when it comes to planting, depth matters. For watermelons, plant seeds about 1 inch deep. For aloe vera, make sure to place the offsets at the same depth as they were in their original pot. Always follow specific guidelines for each plant to ensure they have the best chance to grow. Segment 4, watering wisely. Miran, watering is another essential element. For watermelons, consistency is key. Keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Aloe vera, on the other hand, prefers to dry out between waterings. A good rule of thumb is to check the top inch of soil. If it's dry, it's time to water. Segment 5, pest management. Miran, keep an eye out for pests. Regularly inspect your plants and use natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap to manage pests without harming beneficial insects. Creating a diverse garden can also help keep pests at bay by attracting natural predators. Feeding your plants is vital for growth. Use a balanced fertilizer every few weeks during the growing season for your watermelons, while aloe vera requires less frequent feeding. A diluted liquid fertilizer can work wonders for both. Now let's talk about harvesting. Watermelons are ready when they sound hollow when tapped and have a dull finish. For aloe vera, cut the leaves close to the base. They'll continue to grow. Harvesting correctly encourages more growth. And there you have it, my top tips for growing a successful garden from watermelons to aloe vera. Remember, gardening is a journey of trial and error, so don't get discouraged. Keep experimenting and learning and you'll reap the rewards in no time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips and tricks. Share your gardening experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy gardening!